Yeah, just go. It's still going.
Loud. That is really loud. That is still really loud.
So what? It's fine.
Dude, I'm gonna look at the whole neighborhood.
They're already
It's
up.
alright. Yeah. I can't believe I'm redoing this. Don't you know I can do music?
Yeah, you have to make it louder.
I should have made it louder. Okay, Karina, why don't you run over there and hit the loud button?
Make it louder, please.
Hit the loud
Just go
button.
make
Thank you. I'm loud. Hit that button.
Wow, bitch.
Where are you going?
Fine, here, I'll still record you, but I'll keep making. Haha,
Yeah,
she's.
yeah, you just do that. That dumbass kid, I'm gonna do it. You should have it actually sound like a
What the hell did she just do?
Oh, she wants to do that.
Wow, idiot.
No, just do Oh my god, she just died. I'm gonna talk with a British accent now. My stupid sister just went into the house and left the door wide open to waste the air conditioning.
What a dumbass.
To waste all shit.
She's heating the whole neighborhood.
Yeah. Well, it does need a bit of heating.
What song is this?
Oh, heavy, heavy. Found it somewhere on YouTube.
Did you have to buy it?
No.
I want to look it up.
You can get all kinds of stuff free on YouTube.
On what?
Because someone made this.
On what?
Someone made this and they're not a professional reporter.
Oh. What's the
They just
website?
posted it up for the world to see.
What's the
It
website?
turns out you report on it.
Oh.
And get all kinds of stuff in there. Woo. And she didn't come back to this one. This really stinks.
The door's going to be open forever.
I know. But turn out open door.
She's so
Turn
stupid.
LP today. You know where LP is?
What?
Garden party. Surprisingly, you can have it. Yeah.
How long is this song?
Oh, it's 3 minutes.
Oh. It's been 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Alright, this is usually where it ended. Jeez, I forgot I shortened out.